What's poppin', folks? It's your boy LTC. We're here with Max and Stephanie. Today we're playing the horror game called Max.
The Sound of Fear.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
honey.
what she said.
Yeah, right.
Thank you, honey. Thank you. So yeah, playing the Sound of Fear. It's a horror game of Fortnite, and yeah.
Why do I have a gun?
Fucking no.
It's weird.
I'm good that you arrived.
Shut the fuck up, no one cares.
My boss is missing and we don't know
Oh.
where he is.
NPC.
This chest can help us go to the office, but we can't open it.
I got this. 9.
Bro just said go, bro. I don't. Why did he say goodbye like a freaking robot, bro?
Oh, hold on. I got this. Right? I got this. At the code, right? What's it supposed to say?
You have failed miserably.
0 4 0 7 2 3.
You failed.
Honey,
Oh.
did you hear what I said?
No, I'm pretty dumb.
0 4 0 7 2 3.
Okay. What do I?
Our anniversary.
Oh,
Did you forget?
what does that have to do with this computer?
The code. Oh, code. 65 blank blank. Okay.
Huh.
So it's 65 blank blank. 65 blank blank.
6528?
Is that what's Max?
Huh?
No, it's 65 blank blank. Is that?
Yes, it could be 6528.
Why is it that of all things?
I don't know. It just sounds right to me.
Okay, I'll put it in. Okay. 6 5 2 8. So. Holy fuck!
Nuh-uh.
Look, 6 5 2 8.
What's this?
Didn't walk anyway.
Pick up
Hello,
lump of
detective.
coal.
I'm good that you arrived.
Got a
My
lump of
boss
coal.
is missing and we don't know where he is.
It's the fucking coda. Oh, I have a Lano. Ooh, bits, get my big bits. There we go. Alright, so, code is 6523. That's too close though. You're close back. You're so close. Like one number.
Oh,
Six,
yo,
five,
dude, I
two,
thought it was
three.
telepathic or
And
something.
I did it.
I don't know what that word means, but I know it sounds pretty right to what I'm saying.
Key. Ha.
You're gonna make me say a certain word, bro.
Damn, this is a backwards ass office.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Why do they need so much space in here? Damn.
It's locked.
Is there any food in the trash?
Why would you want that?
I don't know. Feed it to the raccoons.
Bro, you are not a security breach chica, bro.
Oh, hell.
Oh yeah, no, I said feed it to the raccoons, bro. Don't ever compare me to that damn thing.
Max, look like CS Max Pizza.
That's a lot of
Coastal haunts
pizza.
people.
Chicas,
Go.
Max. Told you, Max.
Huh?
Guys,
Coastal haunts
we can-
people.
We can
What the fuck?
open this up. by the
That's
way.
because I opened that.
Hello? Hello?
Where did Georgie
What
go?
the fuck? Where did he go?
McDonald's? Hello?
Nah, I'm out, guys. See ya.
Yeah, I'm out. Come on. Let's go home. Let's go home.
Yeah, I'm leaving. No.
Oh,
No.
that scares you.
No,
Alright, no, come on, let's go inside. Look around.
I don't wanna.
12 ball? Ooh, what's your fucking
Where's it boarded off door?
Dude.
Wait, is the door in there boarded off, or am I just?
What?
Is there a door in the office that's like
Yeah.
has board?
No, actually, no.
Of course.
Because he just did it.
What is that gonna do?
I fucking know. Something.
What if we go
Well,
upstairs?
We need to find a door with boards on it.
It's
Yeah, what if it's upstairs?
Hold
I
on.
don't think there were any doors
Brain,
upstairs.
Hold on.
Well, what even is this store? The library or some shit?
Guys, I found you can open the doors.
Pretty sure it's. Nope. Fuck.
Hey Max, I found Noah.
Where? Oi! Don't disrespect him like that.
What?
We need to find
You
excuses.
Pookie, huh? You Pookie?
Yeah, my little pigster's bald. You know what? That's it. It's over for you.
Pouch are missing. Max, grab that box. I have a club ball. Oh, I can on.
What the hell?
That's how I got.
What the fuck?
Hey, London, go. Let it go. Let it come back. Let it. Let it.
Max, someone's dead, Max. Oh, come on. Come on, Shane. Oh, it's
What?
I found him. He's dead.
What?
He's dead.
Move! What the fuck?
Whoa, how did it happen?
A key? I know where this goes to. Follow me.
Nah, he's fine. He was just throwing up violently.
Kill him.
It's over here, guys.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
What's this? Today we repent the store.
Bro, you need a lump
wait,
of
reopen
coal.
the
You need-
store, and the
you're being
boss
bad on
asked me to
human.
take care of the employees. He must be very worried about us, but why? You need to stop wasting your ammo, man.
I have a key card and a fucking patch.
Well, fun fact, it wastes all of our ammo, I'm pretty sure.
So what else?
Mm,
What is this?
It's so broken that like you can hardly see.
Oh, you put this in here. Wait. No. What the fuck? Did you guys hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck! Something's coming. Something's coming. Something's coming. Something's coming. Something's coming. Something's coming.
Max,
So-
you have guns.
You guys are.
Come on, you pussy.
You
Guys,
guys are what
guys.
the hell?
Guys!
I don't get
Oh,
anything.
downstairs.
Where are you guys?
Downstairs,
I don't hear
Max.
anything. What the heck?
Bro, there's like intense music, bro. I'm scared. Hey! Who's
Wait,
here?
Lennon, can you come here real quick? Lennon,
Yeah.
Lennon,
Yeah.
come on. I just need to show you something. Toddy, you stay there.
No,
Oh, Lennon, come.
no, no, I'm staying with you guys. I'm staying
Alright,
with you
come to
guys.
this corner, Lennon. Come to this corner. I need to show you something.
Okay, what is it?
Alright, step right there. Stand there. Turn around, step. Look at me.
Oh, I see the ghost!
No, you don't. Where?
Isn't he upstairs?
It's our reflection. Oh, there's another doorway. Did you guys know that?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I knew that.
I'm kind of stupid.
Wow, Max, there's a ghost in here. How scary.
Well, for me, it's different. I don't know why, but.
I don't see a ghost in here.
Where am I? Oh, I saw something.
Bro, it's me.
Dude, I'm tripping, man. I'm tripping. I'm
There's
tripping.
no ghost. What are you talking about, Lyndon?
Yeah.
Why do you keep saying you see a ghost?
I'm a spooky ghost. So, ooh, this is-
Oh.
I'm very confused.
I know, I'm sorry.
Dude, why can't we just bust down the doors?
For real.
Yeah,
Wait, hold
I mean,
on.
why can't we just leave? That's like, I don't get what we have to investigate. Oh, we have to complete missions to claim music box. And then pick up musical sheets and find the box.
Guys, look.
Hmm.
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Okay, what's it do? I'm dead. Okay.
What the? Well, now the scary
Oh,
music.
it's a line. See?
Connect it to here!
Giant
Landon,
line.
connect it to here!
Oh, thank you for that one. Genius, Max, genius.
What?
Oh.
Cutscene.
It's a room. I know where it is.
Isn't it next to you?
Yeah, boss. It's the boss's room. It's below us. God! Oh my god!
What? What happened?
Come in, it's fine.
What the
I
fuck?
had a T-posing monster attack me, bro.
Oh, that's the little fucking with the poison.
Bro, you turned into like a 5-year-old. You're like, it's crazy.
Shut up, bro.
Vote code? 1, 2, 5, 6.
Everyone very good with what thoughts, but still something very important to say for him.
Max, you,
Behind the
you
bookshelf.
Pussy
Okay.
scream. Let's go. Let's go.
How did a Fortnite? How did a Fortnite horror game scare me? Whoa.
Wait a minute. 1,
4938?
1, 2, 5, 6.
No. Oh, shut the fuck up, bro. How'd you guess that?
Piece of paper taught me, dumbass.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot. Sorry.
Please don't die.
I'm fine. Where'd I go? Piano!
Restricted area.
Piano. Find a piano.
Over here.
Max, you fuck Max.
Hmm.
Plus piano.
Over here.
Come on, good at this.
What the fuck?
What?
Drop your bitch ass's lights on me? Damn dolls dropping lights on my ass.
What's that?
I'll take that. If that telephone does stop ringing, I'll smack the goofy out that doll. Oh, there it is. What they saying?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
No.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
You have to stay away from the doll. The only way to defeat her is...
No.
Alright, we gotta raise her up. That's how we defeat her. Let's go, guys.
Max, I got it.
No, I got it, bro. No, bro. That's not how you do it. You gotta raise her up by doing like, you gotta do it like this. Hold on. If I can find it.
That one walk.
Yeah, hold on. Let me find it real quick. Huh?
What?
That one walk is like, fucking like that way, that one.
Oh!
When was
Right
that?
at me.
Mate, see, once that dick.
Alright, I'm here to raise you up. Fuck. Hey, hey.
Script. Open vault.
It's not nice.
The vault number is 911. Hold on, what's this? I got 4651. Okay, I gotcha. Open this damn fucking vault.
There we go. I'm gonna raise her up. I'll be right back.
4651. I did put that. I'll put it backwards. Okay, that's why. Let's go.
What's this?
Oh, and there's a musical shit that we need.
A5B. A2B5. That's the one. Looks Hallmarks.
Come on, King. Let's do this.
The fuck was that?
When did you get that, Mark?
Oh no, look at that! What was that? What was that? What was that?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
I saw a Sarah walking to the room, man. I don't like that.
No, Rizzy. Puddle of blood.
Bombs?
What's
Oh,
this?
Hell yeah,
extinguisher?
grenades? Oh, damn that grenades.
I thought those were fire extinguishers.
No grenades, man. Get some more
Oh,
grenades.
they're not fire extinguisher.
Oh, but torches!
Wait a minute.
I remember those.
Yeah, me too. When you used to fix the cars and shit.
Yeah, I miss those. They were helpful.
Wait. This gives me an idea. Guys, follow me.
What you gonna do? Fucking...
Oh wait, I know. We need to use it on the metal.
I did it. I'm getting my gun out for this. guys. Someone's in here.
It's a gun, my guy. Jesus Christ.
I see a red room. Should we go in there? You know, if there's a red room, it's always a bad
Max,
news.
get past Max.
Hey, nothing actually happened. Ooh,
Max TV.
this?
TV.
more bullets. Oh shit, I might need that. I mean, shit,
Give me
motherfucker.
bullets, give me bullets, give me bullets.
Oh, I heard someone whisper in my. Behind you, Steph! Steph, it's on you, it's on you, Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
It's right there.
Run!
So this is bulletproof. What
It's off to me, dude.
God, this is bulletproof. Like honestly.
Dude, why is this bitch off to me?
I found the code. I found the code that was nice.
Five,
Where's it going?
The code is
5. It's after. It's
Lena,
after
it's going
Landon.
towards you, Lena, it's going towards you.
No!
I found the code. It's 2.
I found 5.
Which one?
Just disappeared into the wall.
Daddy.
Never mind.
Max.
Sorry, it's off to you, dude.
Which one?
In this room right there.
Which spot is 5?
It was in the first room.
Which
Wait, every time you get scared, you get XP. Wait, take me to that doll. Take me to that doll. I want XP. Where is it?
Alright. This bitch
Dude,
is
you
over
get
here.
XP from her. Kill me again. Aw, didn't give you. Yeah, it did. Dude, it gives you like nearly 2,000 XP every time you die.
Really? So,
Yeah.
just die already, man.
I would.
I'm getting bored of that kind of guy. So the code is 2 something.
Wait, hold on. Let her leave.
Wait, do you guys want me to lower file for you?
Shit, oh god, sit down.
Holy
We
shit.
eliminated her. We did it, guys.
Damn it, there goes my XP.
By the way, right here, Landon. 5. After you, Landon! It's on you!
Oh, that's
I'm behind you! Ah! Landon, run! I'll distract her! Alright. It's distracted on me. Landon, go!
Dude.
Go get the code! Go get the code! Ah!
it's hall.
How did I...
Aim for the hall.
Number 5 right here. Right here, Landon, right here.
What's 5?
Oh my god, it's on this wall right here.
Oh,
So it's 2,
2 5. So it's
5.
2 5, yeah.
Two, 5. She's near.
Oh, there's the boss. Holy shit, I died.
2 5 something 2. It's 2 5.
Sorry, right next to you.
2
Bitch.
5 something 2.
Please kill me. Stop chasing after that.
Landon, she's on us.
2 5 something 2, my guy.
Something 2, 5.
Well, we can just try different combinations.
Okay.
I have a key.
How do we even? You can't even try it though. Don't know what to do.
I have a key.
2, 5, 1.
Something 2.
What about 2, 5, 1, 5? Or
No,
2, 5,
it's
1,
2.
2. 2, 5,
But you
4,
can't
2.
put in the code anywhere. What the hell?
Get the hell my ass. Oh my god.
It's 2582. Now we should be able to do it.
We got this.
No, I'll do it. I don't understand. Dude, I'm so confused. How we get this through? Do we need a... Hold up. These have wires. There's one of those things. Where do we can get the wire? Oh. Ellen, you get the other one.
I got it.
Feels like probably playtime.
Kind of, yeah. I see that.
You have to connect all the electrical.
I've
Is that it? Or is it
2,
hold on.
5, 8. 2.
Hang on. No, Lena, it goes to the other one. It goes to the other one. Alright, undo your one. Lena, wrong end. Thank you. Ta-da. And then you do yours.
Yeah.
No, Lena, you just disconnected my one.
Okay.
Funny move. Grab that one with the... No, not the other one. Yes. No,
This
other one. That one.
Yeah, that's what I was originally doing.
2, 5,
Oh, my bad, bro.
2, 5, 8, 2.
I thought you were just trying to be engaged.
Fucking retard.
2582. Oh, what the hell?
Ah! Bro, she's a camper.
For real, bro. Don't camp off.
Nah, screw this shit, man. Bro, I'm faster than
Keep her away. Keep her away from the door.
Bro, I'm faster than her.
No, Toddy, go the other way.
Hey, Skibbity, get me.
8, 2. I think I did it. Yeah, I did it.
No balls.
Shit, boy.
It's open.
I'm going in. Well, I put the ball.
On step! Motherfucker.
Doorway is opened. Damn key.
Ah, he's not dead. Where's storage?
Max, come on, back home.
Come on, Steph, this way. Well, I swear I thought I was whizzing her up. I guess not.
We're the wrong way. Yes, we are.
Shit. Oh. On you, Steph, on you.
It's coming off of you, Toddy.
Of course, it's after the black one.
But she wants you bad.
Oh, no, she's not on me.
Yeah, she's fine.
She killed me.
Oh, never mind.
Bro, I'm supposed to be the Wizlow.
Sorry, man.
Stephanie, honey.
Hey, I want to be the Wizlow. Ah! Ah! Bro, why do you do like that? Ah! How? Damn. Wait, S. Ah! Dude! Bro. You wanna fight me, huh? You wanna fight me? Motherfucker, I'll fight you.
That's one.
This is faster, dude. Wait. Move, Landon, move! This is so much more faster, bro.
Max.
Yes.
This is so stupid.
Bro, this is so much more faster than us walking, bro.
Fucking legs, got fucking.
Yeah! Bro! We did it!
I did it.
Actually, we did it. You're a wizard. Shut up. You don't count.
Actually, that's what I said, movie.
Actually, that
fine.
is Sigma of me, bro. Dude, I'm the Sigmiest. I'm the Sigmaest of them all, bro. So Sigma.
What of your Star Wars bike?
Oh shit, she's behind us.
You know,
Come on.
we need to find a key.
Oh. Or she's just camping us. Flashlight. Flashlight. Not gonna lie, I kinda like, she kinda whizzing me up.
Whoa, buddy. I got the card. What the hell?
Don't worry, guys. I'll make a sacrifice. Hey, baby. Ah!
I don't think she liked that.
Ah! She's one of those hard play to get people.
I have a key, by the way.
Hey, so basically, I want to say sorry for making a move on you like that. I should have asked for. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where you go? No! Hey! I'm supposed to be the Wizard War.
Where the fuck is that?
At the back.
Hey,
Max,
can
Max,
we can
this
set
is
our
saying-
differences. Set our differences.
I see it.
Dude, I think me and her are having a moment, guys. Look! Guys, look!
Oh yeah, bro.
I see it.
So basically, what I want to try to say is, I really
Why are
like
all
you.
of these parking spaces disabled parking?
Where are you
How much
going?
spaces do they all need?
Max, you watched my
Where are you
ass.
going?
Ouch. I'm taking.
No, I'm supposed to whiz you up. Yeah, I'm supposed to be the Wizlord. Ugh.
What do you mean that's cool? Bro?
Hey, hey. Ah!
Oh, I dropped my fast light. Max, what the fuck?
Sorry. God.
We gotta look for a fire extinguisher.
I jumped my fast bike away. I made an oopsie, jumped my fast bike somehow. There it is. I have a gas can.
We need a fire
I have
extinguisher.
a gas can.
Dude behind you.
Yeah, and Leslie wants me because I'm a whistle.
Where's the fucking gas tank?
Come on, come
We don't need a gas tank, Lyndon.
on. I found something, you geese! Oh, it's up a call.
But this is the call we need to
But-
get. But
Love
no
call,
gas in the
dude.
call.
But in which car?
What's the code we trying to fix?
I don't know.
We have a
Plus, we
tire.
need to get a fire extinguisher. Do either of you know what that is?
Bro, who is this Bonetovo?
That's your
Kick
friend.
this? Kick him out!
That's your friend. No, I'm fine. Oh, I'm just playing US right now.
Yeah. Shit. Get away from me, monster! You will not touch me in my no-no square.
Lyndon, I love you.
I have more honey.
Shit.
I do.
Come on, come on. Steph, run!
Bro, Tom, I'm trying to fix my.
You're dead. Dodging
What's
me.
it get? I'm a deer. I'm a deer.
Dodging me.
No gas tank.
I know I'm too skibbity with Faho. Cause she's chasing after me.
Oh, Stephanie.
Yeah.
Look,
Uh-huh. Oh, whoa.
I found the gas tank.
We need a fire extinguisher, not a
Not
gas.
that, I mean, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Alright, we need. You see that car that's on fire?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, you own that one.
And then the tile. We have tile as
Oh,
well.
come on.
And then the gas tank. We have the gas tank as well.
Good job. Oh,
It died. I dropped my thing. 1, 3, 6, 4.
Oh no, I lost my thing.
I did too.
downed it.
Oh, sweet.
Look, Max, the code. Put this in, I don't know. Let's go C. That's good. Oh, it's straight. Okay, no, we'll go straight. Never mind.
You know what? I feel like there should be like a brighten up mood. You know? Hold on.
How do you know it's so straight?
Copyright, Max.
It's a
Lennon, how
Fortnite
do you know
song.
it's not copyright. But how do you know it's so you know?
It's all straight. What are you doing?
Wait. No, that doesn't say the other thing. Confused.
That's not it.
But this is all straight. Let's see which one to go to. Oh, freeze triangle. Oh, look. Fins.
Oh.
4 is square. 4 is square. 3 is triangle.
But this is an
1
alphabet.
is- Exactly, Max. Exactly. Oh, wait a minute.
Unless, look, 1 and 2. What goes to 1 and 2?
4 is
5. 4 goes to 5. 3 goes to 9. So we gotta find. There's 6 right here. 6.
6 is. Oh, Max is keeping playing.
6 is 7. So we find 6. Now we find 7. 6 is circle. Wait. But it doesn't say which alphabet though.
Oh,
Hmm.
Max.
Could I have the thing, Lennon, real quick?
4 is to
Can I try?
5. So where's
Do
B?
you think Lennon, can I try do it real quick, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sure.
Shut up, please.
Nice.
Sure.
What the fuck is the
Lennon.
Use your
Look,
feet.
can you
Yeah,
drop the
why?
thing, Lennon? Please.
I don't have a freaking phone.
No, you have the thing that moves the wires.
Where's one in
This?
the goddamn fucking reveal?
No, but it doesn't always work. Thank you, Toddy.
You're welcome.
It's
It did-
it's my
No,
fucking-
because it only had 2 for some reason. It wouldn't let you pick that one.
It's because you're a woman. I'm just playing now.
Alright. Blue is 4. So that's fine. Wait. I'm very confused. I feel like we
You
should
missed,
just
you missed, you
undo
missed,
them
you
all.
missed, you missed, you missed.
Oh, shit.
Fuck
So,
Oh, vault code. Guys, there's a vault code.
see?
That was the. I found the fucking vault, dumbass.
Ah.
Door's locked.
Those 4.
Hey, Max, here you go. This emoji. Oh.
Bro.
What's the segment, bro?
Skip it.
So, what is your theory on this thing?
Bro, I didn't even know anymore. I'm so confused. I thought I had something, and I was like, no.
Well, because it's numbers and ABCs.
7. Hold on. 6, 7. Oh, I get it. I think. Sure.
Honey, B is 5.
No, listen.
9 is.
No, listen, Lynn. Stop. C goes into the circle.
Oh, A equals 2.
Look, I got it. Don't anyone, everyone shut the fuck. I'm sorry, kid. I need silence. Then.
What did you just say?
Wait, no. So circle goes into. Buddy, can you please move? But I don't walk while getting distracted. You guys need to. No, Len, please. No, Len, please. No, Len, please. Please, Len, please, no. Please, no.
Lennon, get over here. Get over here now, Lennon. Get over here.
Kiss
me.
C is 7, which goes to that. No, 2 is A, and 1 was red. So,
Let's let the
Lennon,
woman work for us.
Yep.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm gonna pass out.
Bro, this is the life, man.
No chores, nothing. Just...
Hey, will she do like the dishes next, bro?
Yeah. And then
That's pretty cool, that's pretty cool.
Bro, can you guys.
A sandwich next, do a laundry, yes.
Oh my god, so yapping. And then
This is the life. You wanna get a
3.
cold beer?
Yeah, man.
You guys can also chill out.
Sure, you woman. Anyways,
Three.
back to what we were saying.
B,
Oh man, can the house snacks?
Me.
Oh, how is that dog?
and.
Yeah,
Shut the fuck up.
this is the life, bro.
We'll get banned on Twitter.
Dude, we should start a campfire in your backyard.
Bro, I swear to God. Yeah, it's gonna be tweaking.
Drink cold beer.
Yes.
Oh, bro, we should like cook barbecue
Holy
outside.
fuck!
How the fuck did you do that, you woman?
That's what, Max.
I was working out the puzzle because the notes correspond to a letter, and then the letters
I knew
are on the
but
thing.
You wouldn't let me help.
No.
Women aren't supposed to be smart. Jeez.
Is that-
Ooh.
Go back here.
Wait a minute. What? This is back to where we came from.
Oh, laughing, yeah. D equals 9.
Dude, why do I move so slow?
Was that it?
Huh? Huh?
Oh, we gotta find
Huh?
it. Oh, we haven't the ones. Was that it?
That's it. That's all.
That's all it was.
That was fun though.
That's not it. That is it. Cool.
Oh, this is well. Well, there you have it. Heh.
Everyone. Alright, Max, Stephanie, and any last words?
Please
Thank
like
you
and
for watching.
subscribe. Yeah.
Yes. What he said.
Yeah. So yeah, that's all I had to say, dude.
Like, subscribe? Okay, Stephanie?
Like, and
What he
subscribe.
said.
Okay.
Yeah.
What he said.
Well, anyone
Yeah.
else who's watched this video, peace out. Have a great day. Goodbye.